What's going on, you wood wranglers? So it's blowing an absolute gale outside, as you can see. Trees shaking around. The shed roof, I don't know, is it going to come off? I don't know. I put it up there, so I guess it's going to stay on. Yeah, so we're going to be fucking doing a privacy screen today. I've got a bit of spare time between jobs, so this is just for the Airbnb at our place, and trying to make it affordable, trying to make it as easy as possible just to create something. So I've just used the stock that we already have. Stock's over here, and we've got laminating a couple of 120s together that I've cut down to 105. I'll probably pass them through the thicknesser again, just so we can get them nice and straight on the edges, nice and square. So yeah, just a bit of polyurethane glue, screwing them and clamping them. I like to think of my house as a bit of a crazy science experiment where Ash and I get these ideas and we just keep adding to the property. I don't know where it's going to stop, but we just love doing it, and with each thing we add just adds a little bit more value, and just a bit of a fun project, this one. And have a look at this, mate. Here's me studs that I've ripped down into 35mm by 35mm, and here I am just sticking it straight on this wall to create a nice privacy screen for our Airbnb connected to Sunset Studio. Halfway through it, we're getting there. Should have it finished today. It's on this nice angle. We're going to grow this vine over the top, maybe plant another one down here and let it grow up. And we're going to put some Rio bar across here and up the rest of the way, so this beautiful vine has something to grab onto and create a nice little privacy little hideaway. And there you have it. Voila! Got the screen on. Got some wires going through for the vine to grab on. We didn't end up going with the Rio bar. We thought the wires were going to work much better with how we've installed this. The Rio bar would have just created some other feature that we didn't want to be there to take away from the screen. Ash has come in with her mad styling and put a couple of plants. There's a couple of big doggies that I'm pretty keen to see what's going on in here. Oh, Mitch.